Hello dear student, welcome to the DAV Moil Public School Sita Samangi. I am your computer teacher. This is standard 4. Our today's topic is logo part 1.
Now let's start. Here are two friends. One name is Dobo and second name is Tobo. Let's see what they talk. The Dobo says, Tobo, are you a machine or a human being? Then Tobo says, Hey Dobo, what do you think I am? Then Dobo says, You seems to be a machine but also looks like a human being. Then Tobo says, Yes, you are correct. I am a machine as well as a human being. Then Dobo says, Really? If you are a machine, then how do you function? Then Dobo says, I function like any other computer, which is a machine by the way. How much do you know about machine? Then Dobo says, Dobo, I am familiar with the machines that we use in our day-to-day life. Then Tobo says, computer is a special machine and is a different from other machine. Okay. Now Dobo says, I don't agree. How is it different from the other machines? Then Tobo says, okay, let's play a game and this will answer your questions how a computer different from other machines and will also make it clear that it is a special machine. In this game, I will take the name of machine and you have to tell its function. Robo says, very interesting. Let's start the game. Now, in these images, I will show the name of the machine and its function. Let's see. The first one is ATM machine, which is used for withdraw money. Second one is weighing machine, which is used for calculate the weight. And the third is washing machine, which is used for cleaning clothes. And the fourth one is shaving machine, which is used for shaving clothes. And the fifth one is grinder, which is used for grinder fruits and vegetables. Okay. Now Dobo says, Dobo, have you noticed that all these machines perform a specific task? Then Dobo says, yes, I completely agree with you. Then Dobo says, now can you tell me about the various uses of computers? Then Dobo says, it is used for driving. Then Dobo says, what else? Then Tobo says it's used for listening music, watching movies, and also for playing games. Then Tobo says that means a computer can perform many tasks and not just a specific task like other machines. Okay, now we see the use of computer for drawings and shapes. It is used for calculations. Computer is used to watch movies, listen to music and play games. Fourth, it is also used to send and receive mails and chat with friends. In these images, we see that Dobo is thinking about something. Let's see what they think. They think a computer does many things for us, like drawing, solving sums, playing music, show movies, chats, send and receive messages, playing games. So in this way, we use a computer. Okay. Then Dobo says, oh yes, now I understand that computer is a special machine that can do variety of tasks at a time. I wonder how will we tell the computer to perform a specific task when when it can perform so many tasks. Then Togo says it's not difficult. We can instruct the computer to perform the desired task. These instructions can be given to the computer in the form of commands. Then Togo says, but a computer does not understand our language. How can we speak to it? Then Togo says, I understand many languages known as computer language. However, we need to learn a computer language in order to get our work done by the computer. Then Dogo says, I know my dad told me that we need a language to tell the computer to do a specific task. Can I learn computer language? Do you know any computer language? Can you help me to learn the same? Then Togo says, sure, I can help you. Let's learn Logo, which is a computer language. It is the easiest to learn and fun to use. Then Togo says, Dobo, come and meet my friend Turtle who will help us work with the logo. The turtle says, hi Dobo, I am I can help you to draw, print and calculate on the computer, but remember, I don't understand your language. I can understand only logo language. Now Dovo says, hi Turtle, I am exciting to draw, print, calculate and ways to learn logo. Let's see, but do you know what is logo? Logo stands for language of graphics oriented. Logo language was developed by Seymour Papert and his colleagues. Okay, let's starting logo. In order to start a logo, follow the step to listed below. Step 1. Click the start button. Step 2. Go to all programs. Step 3. Go to logo, which is I will show in the next images. Okay. In these images, I will show the step 1, click on the start button, step 2, click on all programs, and step 3, click on PC logo. So in this way we start the logo. Okay.